This is my house. It is a small house. A little house. Small, little. I have a lot of things in my chest. Things. I need wood. I am going to make something. I put the logs in the crafting table, and then I make planks. I then make some slabs. And then more slabs. There we go. Now I am going to make a composter. I made a composter. I can use the composter to make bone meal. I will place it here, here, here. I placed the composter on the floor. Next, I will put some seeds in the composter. Watermelon seeds. Like that. Next, wheat seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This here is a composter. Here, not there. If I step on this pressure plate, the door will open. There we go. The door opened. That is the horizon. There are some clouds on the horizon. There are some fish there. They are white and grey fish. Also, there is a lot of seaweed underwater. A lot of seaweed underwater too. Also, too. I am growing a lot of wheat. I grew a lot of bamboo. Grow, growing, grew. Ow! Cactuses are dangerous. Zombies are also dangerous. Zombies are dangerous too. I am digging a hole. I want to mine some more. I will place a block to stop the sand. Okay, I failed. I will use my pickaxe. No, I failed again. I want to dig under the sand. I want to get more diamonds and iron. Why am I digging a hole? Because I want more diamonds. Why am I digging a hole here? Because my house is here. It will be dark in the hole. This is not a cave. It is a hole. Caves are big. Holes are little, small, little. I am getting a lot of sandstone. Is sandstone white? No, it is not. Is the sandstone grey? No, it isn't. What colour is sandstone? Sandstone is yellow. I made some torches. Next, I will place them in the hole. Like that. So, I found some gravel. I need to use a shovel to remove it. Okay, so not a lot of gravel. I can see the sun. It isn't night. I found some water. I need to stop the water. Oh, wow! I found an amethyst geode. Find, finding, found. It is a very big geode. I will use sand to remove the water. Then I will dig some more. Mining underwater is very dangerous. There is a lot of water. I want to see the amethyst geode. I like amethysts. Amethysts are very beautiful. They are very beautiful. What color are amethysts? They are purple. Amethysts are purple. So I removed the water. Okay, I failed. I need to remove all of the water. Okay, that looks good. A little more water. I want to go inside the geode. Now I am inside the hole. It is dark inside the geode. Damn it! More water. I don't like water. It is very cold and dangerous. Oh, I can see the amethysts. They look beautiful. I can hear the sound of the amethysts. They sound beautiful. Perhaps I will dig down a little more. I want to get some diamonds. Damn it! More water. I want to remove all of the water. Not a little, all of it. There we go. So, perhaps I removed all of the water. I will dig down to the amethyst from here. This thing is very big. The amethyst geode thing. There we go. That looks good. I failed again. More water. I fail a lot. I can't remove all of the water. I am not happy. What are the white things? What are the grey things? Those things there are amethysts. There, not here. I am making something. A thing to get down to the floor. Thing. Thing. That looks good. Ah! Ow! Okay, I fell. Not fail, but fell. That was dangerous. Was, is, will be. Wow, this is beautiful. I will place more blocks on my thing. Why is there an amethyst geode here? Because, perhaps, it fell from the sky. Whee! Bang! Perhaps not. I like the block of amethyst a lot. I like the sound. I want to place more blocks on this thing. I also want to get some of the amethysts. I want to get some of the amethysts too. I want more things. So, this is smooth basalt. Is basalt good? What is basalt? There we go. That looks good. Now I can go up again. Oh, I need some amethysts. I will go and get some. I am hungry. I will eat some watermelon. There we go. Next, I will go up again. I hit the amethysts with my watermelon slice, and they made a sound. It was beautiful. What is this? It is calcite. Okay, and next, what is this again? It is smooth basalt. Now I will go up again. Is it night? Yes, it is. I need to go to bed. Ow! I hit the cactus again. Cactuses are dangerous. Oh, the moon is on the horizon. It is very beautiful. I wanted to see the sunset. Want, wanting, wanted. Because it isn't cloudy and it isn't rainy, I can see the stars. I like night. I can hear the sound of water. I will pick some wheat and then I will go inside. I like it outside, but outside is very dangerous. There are zombies outside. Also cactuses. Magma too. I am planting some seeds. If I step on the pressure plate, the door will open. I stepped on it. Step, stepping, stepped. I want some bone meal. I can make something with this. What will I make? A spyglass. I will make a spyglass and then I will look at the horizon. Look at. I have some copper in here. There we go. Next, I will make a spyglass. Like this. There we go. I made a spyglass. I will go and look at something. Zoom. Zoom. I stepped on it again, and now I am outside again. Zoom. I can see the moon. Wow. It looks beautiful. Look. See. Zoom. I can see the coral reef. There are a lot of colors. I like colors. Zoom. My boat is red. I stepped on the pressure plate again. Good night.